This is a 1 billion parameter language model that doesn't think in layers, it thinks in loops. It's called HRM-Text from Sapient Intelligence, and it's fully open under Apache 2.0. Let's see what it actually does. HRM stands for Hierarchical Reasoning Model. Instead of stacking more and more layers, it uses two small transformer modules, a slow high-level module and a fast low-level one. They loop over the same embeddings again and again. That gives it deep reasoning depth while keeping the parameter count fixed and tiny. Under the hood, about 1 billion parameters, a hidden size of 1536 and 16 layers per stack. A 4096 token context, a 65,000 word vocabulary trained from scratch on 40 billion tokens in BF16. One catch baked into the design: it uses a prefix mask, so you must pass token type IDs at inference or quality quietly drops. So what does it get right? 6 things. It's tiny, loading on a single 8GB laptop GPU. It buys reasoning depth from the loop, not from raw size. Everything is open, weights, data pipeline, and paper. The context is a roomy 4096 tokens. Condition tags let you switch styles with a single token, and it runs in transformers, VLL, mDocker, and as GG of quants. Now the honest part, the rough edges, also 6. This is a base checkpoint. It's not instruction tuned, there's no chat, no RLHF, it's English only, and it can't really code. Its reasoning is uneven, forgetting the token type IDs silently hurts output, and it needs the bleeding edge transformers 5.9. Enough slides, I installed it for real in WSL on an RTX 4060 laptop. Here's the actual run. The full 1 billion parameter model loaded in about 16 seconds using just 2.4 GB of VRAM. First prompt, why is the sky blue? With the synth and chain of thought tags. It nailed Rayleigh scattering, generating at about 4 tokens per second. But ask it for a story and it stumbles. The base model is genuinely uneven. Switch to few shot question answering with a direct tag though, and it cleanly answers. The capital of Italy is Rome. Then the honest test, write Fibonacci in Python. It produced the right idea but wrapped in prose and LaTeX, so the raw output won't even run. No code in training, and it shows. So who is this for? Not the person who wants a polished chatbot today. It's built for builders and researchers who want a small, fully open base model with a genuinely different reasoning engine to fine-tune and probe. It's a starting point, not a finished product. Commands are in the description. If this was useful, subscribe to Prompt Engineer 48.